The cicadas are everywhere. And I mean everywhere. There's one coming out of its shell. There's one I think is already out of its shell. There's just a big bastard right there. Empty shell. I turn around and on the swing, another one. Oh my god, they're so good. And I try to tell myself, leave the bastards alone. They don't have mouths. They're not gonna bite you. They're, doing their thing. I'm trying. At night, you walk across the grass and they're coming up everywhere. It's so vomit disgusting. But still, I tell myself, I have to let this happen. But then I start seeing them on my flowers. I see you. Can't hide there. And then my roses. And this, my favorite rose, is beautiful yellow, I mean massive blooms. Look at them. I'm sorry. I get that they're here for a purpose. I get that they have no mouths. I get that they're harmless. But when you get on my roses, you die. Evil shit bastard. It's like their feet are made of Gorilla Glue stick. Even if I killed the poor roses. If I can't have them, they can't either.